Namaste. Welcome to Spandy Way. Today, we will see how to cook chili paneer with ginger. Take a bowl for marination. Add paneer, chilies, ginger, and garlic, salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, pepper, turmeric, and now add yogurt. Mix them well. Now, let it marinate for 2 hours to overnight. After marination, take a pan and heat oil. Add chopped onions, ginger, and curry leaves. Saute until cooked. Coriander powder, Garam Masala, turmeric. Now add tomato puree, let it simmer. Add Desi ghee. Once cooked, add marinated paneer mixture. Saute until cooked. Now, take paneer into serving bowl and garnish. Dhanyavad. If you like the video, please like, comment and share. Also, please subscribe Spandy Way for more videos.